Alrighty, y'all know what time it is. We are going to be updating our savings. And y'all, I made some wonderful progress, made some goals, all of that fun stuff. Also though, I've been spending some monies. So we're going to see how that has impacted our budget and impacted our savings and where we are. It's not too bad, but it's not too great. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into updating our savings. Yay! All right, see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So the last time we caught up, we were in March, and now we are in, well, it's going to be June soon. So let's fill in April and let's fill in May. And you guys will see I have, look, only deposits there. Haha, yeah, that's not going to stay like that. So we're starting out, we put in $2.40. We put in $4. We put in $2. We put in $167. And then we took out, we took out $225. So our monthly total is going to be in the negative, which is great, right? We love that. So we have, calculator, 2.40 plus 4 plus 2 plus 167. And then we have minus 225. So we are subtracting. Our monthly total is minus $49.60. Our total saved is minus $49.60. And percentage to goal is, let me go and actually see what the actual total, oh, I should have did that total saved. Sorry, that's where I messed up. I was like, ooh, that's not right. Let me go see what the actual total was. That one I did not write down. We might maybe still be okay. All right, so at the end of April, we had 6,000. Oh, I wasn't doing it like that. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll have to do the math now to figure it out. Yeah, I'll have to do the math to see how much we'd actually save. So we ended up with 486, and I could just add to that. So let's do that. So we had 486 at the end of last month, plus $2.40 plus $4 plus $2 plus 167, and then we're subtracting 225. So that left us with 400. We're kind of right, 436.4. So we're behind. And percentage to goal, the leave for emergency savings, which this should actually be security savings. Security, because remember I changed it. So security savings should be 3,000. So no, 2,000. So we are at 436. Let's see if this is going to give me the right thing. 21.8 now. So we went back a little bit. Isn't that fun, y'all? Don't we love life? Okay. Then in May was a bust. May, we only added 167. And then we subtracted 80. Y'all, I'm telling you, it's been rough. So we only had a net of 160. I'll put this on here. 167 minus 80. So we did a net of $86. Well, or 87. Well, at least this time we were in the positive, which then left us with a total of 436.4 plus $87, and that leaves us with 523. Okay, so we made a little progress. Yay! Divide that by 2,000, and that we're at 26.17%. So we made a little progress in our emergency. Blessings, we did not spend any money out of our house because we are staying true to that. We are staying on the goal, on brand. Let's get it. April. So we had a big month in April for house savings. We did $2.06. We did $6.16. I think. Or did we do 616? I think it's $6.16. 616 seems like a lot, but maybe not. Let's see. I want to check my numbers, make sure I'm right. Oh no, it was 616 or $616. Okay. Yeah, we had a big month. $430. Then we did $12. Then we did $1,000. Then we did. Oh, I'm gonna check this because I feel like I'm all over the place on this one. Oh, we're gonna have to go to the second line. Then we did $5, and that is it. Yes, okay, that's it for April. So we did a monthly total of, pull that calculator up. We did a monthly total of 2.06. We did $2.06. Hold on, let me check to make sure that's the right number too. Because that seems like a very random number. I mean, not that I'm saying it's wrong, but it still feels random. Okay. Yeah, we did. Oh, because of the dividend. Okay. It's like, that seems so strange. Okay, $2.06 plus 616 plus 430 plus $12 plus $1,000 plus $5. We saved, y'all, $2,000.65 well, $2,065 with 6 cents. It was how much we saved. And that then took, we have 5,179.40 cents plus 2,065.06, and that gave us 7,244.46 cents. Our total was, well, it couldn't have been 6,000, correct? That couldn't be right. I believe I changed it to 7, so we're gonna do out of 7. So 7,244.46 divided by 7,000, and we did 1.03%. So we made it 100%, y'all. We made our goal. I made goal for April for my year. For my year, I made my goal in April. Now, I was not thinking I would make this goal until the end of 2022, because I figured I'd spend all of this year focusing, going really hard, paying off my car, and then I'd be able to shift the money I was using to pay off my car to save towards a house. And I've been able to do both this year. And it's not even the end of the year. Like, it's not even the middle of the year. And I still have more money to add from May. So I really feel like this is important to say that you really have to set the goals, do the intention, and do the work. Now, I have fallen off in the last couple of months, I will admit. But I'm ready to get back on track because I have these goals that are really important to me. Oh, I should have added some money to that one house, to that one. But I'm going to go ahead and do the $15. Well, I know I'll leave it the way it is. Because it'll take a minute. So let's do, I just have one for May. Like I said, May was a little rough. 330 for May. Still a little something. Total for the month was 330. And then that put us at 7244.46. all off. Plus 330, so 7574.46. I have to go and I have to get a new savings tracker, which I think I already talked about because I think I met that goal already. So I gotta get a new one, y'all. But for emergency savings, I can still fill that in. That one's still a thing, and I can see where we are and make sure that my numbers are right. I think I get to fill in some for this savings tracker. But I guess my question for you all, I don't actually get to fill in anything for the savings tracker. So we are where we are. All right, well, we got to get back on track then. I hope everybody's doing great. I hope you're making progress on your goals. Y'all, I'm really amazed this year has gone as fast as it has, but I'm very thankful and grateful. So next step, we start looking for a house. And I think I'm actually going to start in June. So gonna contact my realtor and see what we find. So thank you for watching. Thanks for being on this journey with me. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great one. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.